In this video, we will see how to move a player using rigid body component. I have a simple scene here and a player game object. I will attach the rigid body component and mover script to the player game object. A rigid body in Unity allows your game object to act under the control of physics. It also allows the use of some inbuilt physics property and functions. Properties like use gravity, velocity, and function like add force, add torque. Inside the rigid body component, under the constraint, tick all the freeze rotation. Now, inside the mover script, I have created three variables: float variable called move speed, a vector 3 variable called move dir, and a rigid body variable called rb. Inside the start function, I grab rigid body component and store it in the rb variable. Inside the update function, I store the direction of a player in move dir. Inside the fixed update is usually used for physics calculations. So here, move der is multiplied by move speed and then by time dot fixed delta time. Then it will be stored in rb velocity. rb dot velocity represents the rate of change of a rigid body position. Now you can see that the player is moving smoothly using rigid body physics. For more basic Unity videos, please subscribe, and if you like this video, then press the like button. Thank you.